moved on the braking like...
Go right, left side. There's an
Oh
incident
my
ahead.
god,
Clear off.
mate, I
Go right.
literally predicted... This is... Oh my god, this is amazing. Was my mistake. Oh, that's sad.
I'm back with a brand new iRacing video in our Zero to Hero series, where I basically, as a noob sim racer, try to become better and improve like every episode. I've learned from your tips because I saw a lot of recommendations in the comments about my force feedback being too high, like some settings for the graphics. You helped me a lot with like having suggestions on how I could show the standings or the relative distance to other cars. So it was really helpful and I applied it to the session so you can see. And I want to thank you for the amazing support, because I didn't expect it at all. We hit like 50 new subscribers from only one video. It was amazing. I love your support and thank you so much. And if you're new here to the channel, please consider subscribing. It would help me a lot, and yeah, it will maybe to create more content, and I hope to finance my racing career, to drive in a real race car one time. And yeah, I want to really thank you guys, and hopefully you had a great New Year's evening. Today I have a new video of you, and I got a surprise because I upgraded my sim. Oh, it's heavy. Look at this bad boy. It's huge.
That's what she said.
It's huge. It's like a little bit curved, and it has like a reaction time of 1 millisecond, a lot of hertz, and free sync, because I read that free sync is really important so it doesn't like freeze the screen. So I'm really excited to try this. Simply lovely, guys. The monitor is set up, it's totally ready, and for now I put it here, but later when I have the mount, I can mount it on my rig here. And here I have my PC with OBS ready to record, and yeah, we're set, so let's go.
Alright guys, as you can see, we are here on the circuit on Oschersleben. It's located in Germany. There have been a lot of things I need to improve setup wise, and I've looked a lot of to the settings to improve. Because you advised me a lot, which I was really happy with, because I read all the comments. Well, you saw like that the force feedback was clipping. So for example, if I steer now, normally it would just turn red, but as you can see, I listened to your feedback and now it's better. I learned how to use the black box, so first I didn't know how to change it, but now I've set it up so, oh, let's make way. So you can see like the relative, which is perfect. I've used the border graphic settings, so you don't see the like the top taskbar anymore. And what did I do as well? Yeah, basically like a lot of OBS settings to record and to yeah, make sure that the new monitor like records everything like quite well, and that's like good quality on YouTube. So everything is set up, I'm ready. Oschersleben is a circuit that I absolutely love. It's really technical. It has like a lot of different type of corners, fast corners, slow corners, long turning corners. I really like the first corner combinations, which is lovely. So yeah, I would say we're now into a racing session. Let's practice, let's get some laps in, and I'll see you guys in the qualifying. Alright guys, we're in the qualifying session, as you can see. And yeah, we have basically like 2 laps to set our best lap time. And because I was really busy today with checking like the new settings of my monitor, preparing everything for like good YouTube videos, and applying your feedback with the force feedback settings, I didn't have much time to practice actually. So I've driven I think like 10 practice laps, which is not ideal. But yeah, I think since I know Oschersleben quite well, I think it should be fine. I should be able to be competitive, hopefully, because you never know. And the aim is to drive a 140, I think 5, because 140 is quite decent for this iRating class. So let's see how that goes. Let's try to warm up the tires a bit. Tricky corner. Oh, and in the previous video, I was so into the commentary that I forgot to focus. So this video, this race, I'll be more focused. I'd like to have better gameplay for you guys and be faster. Because yeah, I left... Oh! Have better gameplay for you guys. I just lost my focus. But let's focus and let's try to get some good qualifying laps in. Let's go. There's our first time
Green
lap.
flag, green flag. Okay, here comes your first timed lap.
Let's go. Ah, fuck. Oh no, I fucked up. Have better gameplay for you guys. A bit white. This is actually my favorite part. It's like really technical. Alright. Okay, that's decent. Quick tap on the brakes here. Ah, stupid. Okay, focus. Not the best exit, but let's push it here.
You cut that corner and got a slow down penalty.
What? I got it? How? Oh, mate. I don't think I'll make it within 30 seconds. Oh my god, I got to yield in qualifying. Yeah, qualifying is over. Otherwise, I think I'll be disqualified for the race. So I don't want to take that risk. Oh, that was the worst qualifying in my life. Alright guys, we are on the grid. I think we're dead last.
Estimated strength of field is 1,360.
Oh man, that sucks. I think it's gonna be an unintentional loss the first challenge. I think it actually might be not that like a biggest of disadvantage, because in this iRating they will kill each other in turn 1 and take the biggest risk ever. So I think the game plan, I'll predict it, is it's gonna be chaos in lap 1 or in turn 1, and then I'll just take them all over and yeah, just basically gain a lot of position, because this will, no way everyone will go through in turn 1, no way. Now this iRating, I'm sure. The lights are on.
Green.
It's lights out and away we go, and we literally take over the first car here. We have a great launch. Now, let's try to survive here, not do anything stupid. I want to say alive.
On your left, clear. There's an incident ahead. Go right.
See, that's the first one. Okay. What's he doing, man?
Right side.
Oh, stupid idiot. He moved on the braking like...
Go right. Left side. There's an
oh
incident
my
ahead.
god.
Clear on the left.
I got literally murdered there. Are you kidding me?
Right.
What an
Left
idiot.
Side. Clear.
He kept moving on the braking.
On the
Oh, this is the most unluckiest race I've ever driven, including the qualifying. Let's see if we can come back. Yellow flag, so might be some incident. Oh yeah, someone's off.
You got a slow car on the left. Go right.
That's another position. We're currently 11th. Oh, 8th. Okay, that's actually fine. Alright, he's gone off again. And there are people in front there fighting, so I think we should be able to catch up to them. But this guy's really distracting me because he's braking really early, and then I'm like, oh wait, I'm not too late, but it's just him. He might be braking for this corner as well. Oh no, not that. Takes a really wide line, interesting. I think he's feeling the pressure, so that's good. He's gonna brake here too early. Let's try to pressure him. Just make him scared.
Left side.
Or just take him over here, that's perfectly fine
Clear
for me
on
as
the
well.
left.
Okay, that was easier than I thought. Nice. Now these guys are fighting. Oh, it goes wrong.
There's an incident ahead.
Oh no,
Go
no,
right.
no, not again.
Go right. Go right.
Mate, oh, this race is so chaotic. Oh, it's just surviving basically, it's not even racing, man. I'm not that scared of the car behind because I just know I'm faster, so yeah. Let's just try to get away ASAP. Oh, well, I think we're currently in 5th or maybe 6th position, so I think if you can catch the car in front, then we might be able to still got some good iRating. Because if you like end too low, then you of course logically lose iRating, so alright.
The car in P2 just set the fastest lap. 39.967. You're in 5th.
5th position. Oh, that's actually great. 4th would be amazing. Great, we're actually way faster than the car behind me. It's actually surprised me that it's keeping up so well. I thought it was way faster. Actually, when I said like a couple of minutes ago this will be one of the worst races, I didn't expect it will be in 5th, starting from 12th in just 2 laps. Crazy. Oh, this corner is so satisfying if you nail it, but I think I'm just quite a bit too slow. I can carry way more speed into the corner, but the good thing is that we lost the guy behind and we're coming to get a little bit close to the guy in front, so let's try to get some pressure on him. But yeah, I'm missing basically 2 apexes, so that's not helping. There's a lot of smoke coming there, what's going on? We're a little bit cruising here, it's not that much happening, but of course there's also a chance that someone f***s up or makes a mistake. So,
Slow car ahead.
Yeah,
Car
like,
stop on the left.
mate, I
Go right.
literally predicted. This is, oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, thank you. Yeah, as I said, someone can make a mistake and then you can like easily take the position. Yeah, nice. This was literally a roller coaster of emotions, like being really sad with the qualifying and the start of the race, and now this. It's funny. Let's try not to make mistakes or I have to yield. Let's see. Lap 5. I don't know how many laps we need to do, but I don't think it's that much. So let's just try to be consistent, drive good laps, and not make any mistakes. So the guy behind just can't come close again. Oh, that was nice. Hit those apexes really well. And let's try to improve our fastest lap. I think that might be a fun challenge. To make it a bit entertaining, but I'm literally like driving now in no man's land. Although the guy behind me is 9/10. Oh. He's actually catching up, I need to focus.
You're now in 3rd.
3rd? What? I'm on podium? What happened? But the guy behind is actually closing. Shit. He's getting an off track there, so that's good. But let's try not to look back too much, just focus on our race. Oh, that was good. It was actually quite scary when he came close, but I think we have a way better exit here. Let's try just to keep up the gap. Seconds. Way too early. Fuck. I'm being stupid now.
The leader is running 43.743.
43 is not that fast, right?
New fastest lap for you.
140, alright. Ah, it's coming closer and I don't like it at all. Oh, we nailed that one. Nice, lovely. And as you can see, I immediately pulled a gap, so he's basically faster like, I would say, the first part of the track, and I'm faster in the second part, so as long as we can keep up the gap there, we should be fine.
White flag, white flag.
Alright, one more lap. Oh, it looks like he has a better exit, so we gotta be careful here. No, he's too far, I think. Nice. Oh! No, we're making the corner ourselves.
You cut the course, you've got to slow down and
Yeah,
give up that time.
I fucked up. It was my mistake. Oh, that's sad. I tried to defend, and then I forgot that, of course, my line is not good then. So, oh, that's such a shame, because we could have taken literally 3rd position there. But maybe he makes a mistake. Oh, that's my bad. That's a shame, guys. Totally my own mistake. Well, GG, good game. The last to first challenge isn't accomplished, guys, but we managed to get P4.
You got a slow car
Well,
on the
we
left.
started P12, so I'm actually quite happy with that. So
Alright, there's
I
the
think it's
checkered
good.
flag.
So let's do one more race, I
Good
think,
job.
and
Very
let's
good
see how that one goes. Because I'm not happy yet. I think there's more. Alright, guys, we're currently in the qualifying session for the 2nd race. Last video we only did 1 race into the video, so if you prefer 1 race, or if you are more a fan of this concept with like 2 races, please let me know so I can make videos you like the most.
Left side. Clear.
Oh,
Car on your
it
left.
was his own mistake, he cut me off. Well, guys, let's see, this was our first race actually, And we improved our safety rating, which I'm really happy with, because you guys advised me to improve your safety rating as well, because you go to like a better class and you have more competitions to participate in, like endurance races or multi-class races, so that's really nice. I think looking here at the best lap and the average lap time, yeah, we drove like pretty good, and of course we went from 12th to 4th, which was really nice. Could be a little bit better on the safety rating though, got quite some incident points, 6 as you can see, but still quite happy. Drove well, we're close to P3 and we improved our iRating there, so that is good. And yeah, we basically went from 1200 to let's say 1400 iRating in 2 videos now. Of course it won't be growing as fast like every video, would be nice, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm not really happy with myself these races because I really had the pace to improve my iRating, but I just didn't have the focus, didn't have the consistency to drive like 3 good races and ruin my second one, which is like unfortunate for the iRating points and for the safety rating. But overall we still improved. I'm happy with the safety rating and I'm really happy and grateful for all your guys' great advice and feedback in the comments. If you have any feedback to improve my driving, to have better settings, what I could do better, please let me know. And yeah, your support is like amazing and it motivates me a lot to publish more videos. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing because it helps me a lot to make more videos. It motivates me and I enjoy recording these a lot. So thank you guys for watching, I appreciate it a lot and I see you in the next video.